हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो फाइनली फॉर क्लास 11 स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ अ गुड न्यूज़ दैट आई हैव फाइनली ब्रॉट एंड आई विल बी फाइनली ब्रिंगिंग वीडियोस फॉर क्लास 11, बट आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद एडिशनल इंग्लिश। तो मैं एडिशनल इंग्लिश के साथ अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करूँगा। लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई कंप्लीट योर एडिशनल इंग्लिश syllabus, then I shall start English with all of you. Okay, so for the time being I would like to request all the class 11 students to kindly have patience. Okay, I'll later bring English videos also for all of you. Okay, so we are going to start with lesson 1 from your class 11 additional English, which is the face on the wall. Okay, and I'm going to here explain you the whole story and in detail. तो मैं पूरे डिटेल में आपको पूरा explanation दूंगा. Okay. Now, as you all know, the writer of the story is E.V. Lucas, and the story is very interesting. कहानी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. And why it is interesting? Because as the story goes on, जैसे जैसे स्टोरी बढ़ता जाएगा आप लोग समझते जाएंगे कि ये कहानी कितने इंटरेस्टिंग है. ओके, एंड इट्स एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी स्टोरी एक्चुअली. ठीक है, बहुत ही एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी रिमार्केबल कहानी है. ओके, सो आई विल बी यूजिंग बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश अ लिटिल मोर and Hindi little less. Okay, because this is additional English. Okay, now when the story begins, we see that few people, including the narrator of the story, have gathered in a man's house, and this man's name is called Dabney. So in Mr. Dabney's house, few people have gathered, and these few people are actually one by one they are talking on supernatural theme. That means each one of them they are sharing stories about ghosts and unnatural happenings that they have heard from somewhere. ठीक है, तो ये लोग जो यहाँ पे गैदर हुए हैं, ये लोग जिस थीम को लेके बात कर रहे हैं, जिस टॉपिक को लेके बात कर रहे हैं, वो टॉपिक है सुपर नेचुरलिज्म या घोस्ट्स, अननेचुरल थिंग्स. ओके, तो ईच वन ऑफ देम शेयर्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ सुपर नेचुरलिज्म और घोस्ट्स. तो हर कोई जो है एक एक करके बारी बारी करके अपना अपना एक स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं वो लोग. ओके, दे आर शेयरिंग स्टोरीज अबाउट सुपरनेचुरलिज्म और घोस्ट्स दैट दे हैव हर्ड. कहीं से सुना, फिर वो लोग यहाँ पे सारे लोग बैठ के यहाँ पे एक एक करके वो लोग कहानी शेयर कर रहे. दे आर शेयरिंग स्टोरीज, ओके, वन बाय वन. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट नन ऑफ देयर स्टोरीज हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड एनी इफेक्ट. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट देयर स्टोरीज आर नॉट सो इंटरेस्टिंग. सो वो लोग, उन लोगों ने जो कहानी बताया एक एक करके, वो कहानी बिल्कुल इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं था. दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग एट ऑल. अब वहाँ पे एक आदमी बैठा था. देयर वॉज अ स्ट्रेंजर सिटिंग क्वाइटली इन वन कॉर्नर. एक कोने में बेचारा बैठा था, और वो उनमें से कोई एक गेस्ट था. ही वॉज वन ऑफ द गेस्ट्स. ओके, और इस आदमी को कौन लेके आया था? दिस मैन वॉज ब्रॉट टू डैबनीज हाउस बाय रॉटसन वेट. ओके, तो रॉटसन वेट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द गेस्ट्स, एंड ही ब्रॉट दिस स्ट्रेंजर टू द हाउस ऑफ डैबनी. नाउ this man is sitting in one corner and he's silent. He's not speaking anything. Okay, he's not telling anything. He's just listening to the stories of others. वो सिर्फ वहाँ पे बैठ के दूसरे जो कहानी बता रहे हैं वो उसे बैठ के चुपचाप वो सुन रहा था. He was just listening silently to the others. Okay, now everyone asked him, everyone requested him that you also please share a story with us. So everyone asked him to share a story or any incident that he knows or has heard about from somewhere. तो आप भी हमें कोई एक कहानी बताइए जो आपने कहीं से सुना होगा या किसी ने आपको बताया होगा. ठीक है, सो एवरीवन रिक्वेस्टेड हिम. तो वो गेस्ट जो है, दिस गेस्ट ऑल्सो, हिज नेम इज़ नॉट गिवन इन द स्टोरी, सो वी विल कॉल हिम ईदर दिस गेस्ट और द गेस्ट और द मैन. तो हम लोग इसी तरीके से उनको बुलाएंगे क्योंकि देयर इज़ नो नेम ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी. ओके, सो एनीवेज दिस गेस्ट सेज दैट द स्टोरी दैट ही इज़ गोइंग टू टेल इज़ अबाउट एन इंसिडेंट दैट हैपेंड टू हिम दैट आफ्टरनून इटसेल्फ. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ होने वाला. आप देखिए कि ये जो गेस्ट है ये कहता है कि दिस गेस्ट सेज दैट द स्टोरी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल ऑल ऑफ यू टुडे इज़ एक्चुअली अ रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट, एंड दिस इंसिडेंट हैज़ हैपेंड टू मी ओनली, एंड व्हेन दिस आफ्टरनून इटसेल्फ, इसी दोपहर को मेरे साथ ये इंसिडेंट हुआ है. ओके, सो द पीपल गैदर्ड देयर वेर क्यूरियस टू हियर ऑफ अ रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट एंड लिसनड अटेंटिवली एज द गेस्ट स्पोक. तो सारे लोग जो हैं बिल्कुल क्यूरियस हो गए. Because all the other guests actually were talking of or actually they were telling stories that they have heard from somewhere. It is not a first hand story, it's a kind of a second hand story. Okay, stories that they have either heard from somewhere or someone has told them. But this person, this man, he is going to share a real life incident, and that has happened to him, and that too that afternoon, उसी दोपहर को हुआ था. तो naturally all the guests were very curious to hear about that real life incident. So now they, paid attention, full attention to the man. Now this man started the story. Okay, ये जो guest है वो अपना story start करता है. Okay, now the guest was staying in Great Ormond Street of London in an old house. तो ये guest कहता है कि मैं एक street है उसका नाम है Great Ormond Street which is in London. तो मैं वहाँ पे एक बहुत ही टूटे फूटे पुराने घर में रहता था. I used to stay in a very old house in this Great Ormond Street. Now the walls of the room were painted but they were damp and patchy. Patchy मतलब क्या होता है कि if there is a wall and especially if the house is very old or the walls have turned very old, जब wall पुराने हो जाते हैं तो wall में ऐसे patches आ जाते हैं. There are marks like that. Alright, and it becomes discolored also. कलर भी उसका जो है बहुत ख़राब हो जाता है. It becomes discolored also. Alright, so patches are like marks on the walls. Okay, तो वो रूम बहुत ही पुराना था. The walls of the room were painted but बहुत डैम्प था और उसमें पैचेस पड़ गए थे. There were marks like that. Okay, now strangely, इसे बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. प्लीज लिसन टू दिस थिंग वेरी केयरफुली. स्ट्रेंजली वन ऑफ द पैचेस ऑन द वॉल वॉज इन द शेप ऑफ अ ह्यूमन फेस एंड दिस इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज. So what happened, say for example this is a wall inside the room. Okay, this is a wall and what happened, there were many patches on the walls because the walls have turned very old. So बहुत सारे पैचेस ऐसे ऐसे मार्क्स थे, लेकिन एक ऐसा मार्क था जो कि एक आदमी के चेहरे जैसा था. इट रिजेंबल्ड, इट लुक लाइक द फेस ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. ओके, वो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का फेस के जैसा वो मार्क हो गया था. और इट्स वन ऑफ द पैचेस ऑन द वॉल वाज इन द शेप ऑफ अ ह्यूमन फेस. नाउ ही एवरी डे ही यूज्ड टू कंटिन्यूसली वॉच द फेस. तो हर दिन वो सुबह जब उठता था, व्हेन यूज्ड टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, continuously, morning, afternoon, evening, night, he would continuously watch the face on the wall. And day by day he became very curious about the face. ठीक है, डे बाय डे वो बहुत क्यूरियस होता गया उस फेस को लेके. In fact, he came to take this face as real. तो every day it was a kind of a hallucination, you can say ना, hallucination. ठीक है. तो दिन दिन क्या होता है, एवरी डे व्हाट हैपेंड, ही कंटिन्यूसली, बिकॉज ही केप्ट ऑन लुकिंग एट द वॉल एंड लुकिंग एट द फेस, व्हाट हैपेंड, ही केम टू टेक दिस फेस एज समथिंग विच इज़ रियल. तो उस चेहरे को ओरिजिनल, रियल समझने लगा. नाउ अनदर स्ट्रेंज थिंग हैपेंड with this human face on the wall. What happened is that the strange thing was that while the other patches grew bigger in size, this patch remained unchanged. तो क्या है, say for example in this wall there are many patches on the wall. Now all these patches grew bigger in size because the walls were turning very old also. Every day the patches grew bigger in size. But this patch which looked like a human face, okay, this patch, the size remained unchanged. So there was no change in the size. Okay, alright, so there was no change in the size. Okay, especially this patch with the human face, there was no change. Okay, तो बाकी पैचेस जो है, मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा बोल दूँ, बाकी पैचेस जो है, बाकी मार्क्स जो है वो साइज़ में बड़ा होता गया क्योंकि वॉल बहुत पुराना था. तो वो थोड़ा थोड़ा बड़ा होता गया, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके वेंट ऑन बिकमिंग बिगर इन साइज. बट दिस पर्टिकुलर पैच, द साइज रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. कोई चेंज नहीं इस साइज में. नाउ ऐसे तो दिन बीतते गए, days passed by like that. Now once what happened, very unfortunately, this man, he had an attack of influenza. Influenza means viral fever. So he had a viral fever one day and now he had nothing to do. He couldn't go outside also. वो बाहर भी नहीं जा सकता था. उसके पास करने लायक जो है बॉडी में एनर्जी भी नहीं था. He did not have that sufficient energy in the body because of fever. So he could not go out, could not do anything. So in order to pass his time, he was inside the room only. And in order to pass his time, he used to read books and meditated all day. पूरा दिन वो meditate करता था और वो किताबें पढ़ता था. ठीक है, whole day, because he had nothing to do. But he used to stare at the wall. This became a kind of a routine. This became a kind of a routine for him. Okay, looking at the wall, especially looking at that human face, became a routine for him. Now every day he used to watch the face, and slowly this face on the wall started becoming more real, as if it was now a real human face. तो slowly क्या हुआ, वो जो face था wall में वो और ज़्यादा realistic होता गया उसके लिए. एज इफ इट वॉज नाउ अ रियल ह्यूमन फेस. तो ये इंसान जो है, बिकॉज ही वॉज अलोन इन द रूम, he was all alone in the room. Now he started feeling that he had a friend, a companion in his room, because there was another figure of a human face. Alright, and he started taking the face as real. So उसको लगने लगा कि मेरा एक रूममेट आ गया है. I am now having a roommate. Alright, it's a kind of a hallucination. Alright, now we do not know what is going to happen in the story. हमें पता नहीं स्टोरी के साथ क्या होने वाला है. Now this man started thinking about this phase day and night. ये phase जो है उसके thoughts को पूरा dominate कर रहा था. This phase was now dominating this man day and night. And day and night this man started thinking about the phase. ठीक है. Now what happened? Another strange thing happened is that the nose and forehead of this man, of this face on the wall became more realistic. तो धीरे धीरे जो है इस आदमी का, इस फेस का जो है नाक चेंज होने लगा, फिर फोरहेड जो है इसका शेप चेंज होने लगा, द शेप ऑफ द नोज, द शेप ऑफ द फोरहेड ऑन द of this face on the wall, it became more realistic. It was having certain changes. Okay, it was having certain changes and it started getting more realistic. And now finally what happened, that face on the wall now looked exactly like a man's face. तो ये जो चेहरा था, जो वॉल में जो चेहरा था, जो पैचेस था, वो पैचेस धीरे धीरे एक ह्यूमन शेप में बदल गया. दैट पैच, दोज पैचेस एक्चुअली टुक द शेप ऑफ अ ह्यूमन फेस एंड नाउ इट लुक्ड एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ मैन. सो हमें जेंडर का पता चल गया अभी. इट लुक्ड एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ मैन नाउ. एंड दिस गेस्ट एक्चुअली, दिस मैन हु इज टेलिंग द स्टोरी, this man, he slowly he recovered from his fever, he recovered from his illness, but this face continued to dominate his thoughts. ये चेहरा जो है उसके थॉट्स पे पूरा हावी हो चुका था. इट कंटिन्यूसली डोमिनेटेड हिज थॉट्स. while he would wake up when he would wake up in the morning, while he would have his breakfast or lunch or dinner, evening, night, every time he kept thinking about this face on the wall. ठीक है. And he noticed one thing, that the face was a very uncommon face. ऐसा लगता है कि that face was a man in 1,000. मतलब हज़ारों में एक अनकॉमन होता है ना. हज़ारों में आप कोई चेहरा देखते हैं जो आपको अनकॉमन लगता है. हज़ारों में आप कोई चेहरा देखते हैं, out of thousands you would see somebody very special, very uncommon. So this face looked very uncommon. Alright. And this man, he was convinced now that this face on the wall existed in real life. तो ये जो गेस्ट है जो हमें स्टोरी बता रहा है, द गेस्ट हु इज़ नाउ टेलिंग अस द स्टोरी, ही सेज दैट आई एम कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस फेस इज़ एक्चुअली अ रियल लाइफ, द फेस ऑफ अ रियल लाइफ मैन. ऐसा चेहरा दुनिया में ज़रूर होगा. ओके, एग्जिस्टेड इन रियल लाइफ. सो नाउ दिस मैन, ही स्टार्टेड मेकिंग इंक्वायरीज अबाउट दिस मैन्स फेस एंड वांटेड टू मीट हिम. ठीक है. तो उसका आई डोंट नो whether he took photo of that man or whatever it is, he started inquiring about this man's face and wanted to meet him. So वो लोगों से पूछने लगा. He started asking people that have you seen this man, have you seen this man, have you seen this man, have you seen this man. He started making inquiries because he started believing that this face on the wall was of a real man and this man existed in real life. वो आदमी जो है दुनिया में कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे मिलेगा. ठीक है. और वो सबसे पूछताछ करने लगे. ही स्टार्टेड इंक्वायरिंग अबाउट दिस मैन एंड ही वांटेड टू मीट हिम वेरी पैशनेटली. ही वांटेड टू मीट हिम. ओके. अब ये तो पागलपन है. अब लोगों को लगा ये तो पागलपन है. राइट. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ मैडनेस दैट यू सॉ समथिंग ऑन द वॉल एंड इट रिजेंबल्ड टू द फेस ऑफ अ मैन. नाउ वुड यू गो आउटसाइड एंड आस्क पीपल हैव यू सीन दिस मैन? एवरीबडी वुड लाफ एट यू. अरे एक चेहरा जो वॉल में किसी कारण हो गया होगा, ऐसा चेहरा के रियलिटी में होगा कभी? will such a face be in real life? It was not possible, right? It was not possible. But this man had become little mad also. ये आदमी, ये गेस्ट जो है हमारा, ये थोड़ा सा पागल हो चुका था. He started visiting those places where there would be huge gathering of people. So he started visiting those places जहाँ बहुत तादाद में लोग आते हैं, where there used to be huge gathering, like railway stations. There are huge gatherings in railway station, and football matches. Okay, audiences come to watch football matches, political meetings, etc, etc. So he started visiting. वो ऐसे जगह जाने लगा जहाँ लोग ज़्यादा जमा होते थे. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जमा जहाँ पे होते थे वहाँ वो जाता था. जैसे रेलवे स्टेशन जाता था, फुटबॉल मैचेस देखने के लिए फुटबॉल प्लेग्राउंड में जाता था, पॉलिटिकल मीटिंग्स में जाता था, टू सी वेदर ही कुड लोकेट और वेदर ही कुड फाइंड such a man हुज फेस वॉज सिमिलर टू द फेस ऑन द वॉल, जिसका चेहरा उस वाल के चेहरे से मिलता जुलता हो, ऐसे लोगों को वो ऐसा एक कोई आदमी से या आदमी को वो ढूंढने जा रहा था. बट ऑब्वियसली ही कुड नॉट फाइंड एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट मैन. तो वो जो फेस ऑन द वॉल था, दैट फेस ऑन द वॉल, ही कुड नॉट फाइंड एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट फेस. एंड ही बिकेम सो मैड, वो इतना पागल जैसा हो गया था कि ही यूज्ड टू स्टेयर एट मेन एंड वुमेन ऑन द स्ट्रीट. तो जैसे से फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्यू पीपल आर like standing on the street, okay, and this man would go there and look at them. So everybody would suspect, "Arey, why is this man looking at us in this way?" So as a result, police also suspected him. Alright, है ना, आप जैसे रास्ते में खड़े हैं, कोई आके आपको घूर रहा है, somebody is coming and staring at you for nothing. You'd obviously feel either this man is a criminal or this man has gone mad. या तो ये बंदा criminal है या तो ये पागल हो चुका है. तो as a result, पुलिस भी सस्पेक्ट करने लगा इसको, and other people thought that he is mad. Obviously other people would think him mad only. Alright, but फिर भी जो है, this our guest actually used to understand that actually people are thinking that I am mad, but still then he did not become disheartened. वो disappointed थोड़ा तो हुआ था, but he was not going to give up. Okay, कि मैं give up नहीं करूँगा, I will not give up, I will definitely find this man and I am sure this man exists in real life. ये जो face on the wall है, ये रियल लाइफ में एग्जिस्ट करता है और मैं इसे प्रूव करके रहूँगा. आई विल फाइंड दैट मैन वन डे. एनीवेज, नाउ हिज सर्च एक्चुअली ब्रॉट हिम गुड रिजल्ट्स. तो फाइनली हिज सर्च वाज सक्सेसफुल. ऑलराइट, दिस इज, यू कैन कॉल दिस इत्तेफाक, कोइंसिडेंस. इन हिंदी वी कॉल इत्तेफाक. यू कैन कॉल दिस कोइंसिडेंस. दैट यू सॉ अ फेस ऑन द वॉल, you saw certain patches on the wall. That patch took the shape of a human face, and slowly that human face became so realistic that you go outside searching for a man whose face was similar to the face on the wall, and by chance you got that man also. So that would be coincidence, right? इत्तेफाक होगा वो. तो ऐसे एक दिन हुआ उसके साथ, ये इत्तेफाक, ऐसा कोइंसिडेंस उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ. And what was that incident? Yeah, coincidence was that his search was finally successful. Now how? And that is also very interesting. One day he was in a taxi driving east along Piccadilly. Piccadilly is a road in London. Alright. So one day, like Mahatma Gandhi Road, Jawaharlal Nehru Road. Okay. So Piccadilly is a road, a street in London. So one day this guest was in a, this man was in a taxi and he was driving by this Piccadilly Road going somewhere. Suddenly he saw that man whose face was same as the face on the wall. So he was successful now. But that man was a little far away. So what happened is that he told his taxi driver that you follow the other taxi. So he took a taxi again and followed him up to Charing Cross. Charing Cross again, it's in London only. Alright. So he took a taxi and followed him up to Charing Cross. तो वो अपने टैक्सी ड्राइवर से उसने कहा कि इस टैक्सी को फॉलो करो, और जाते जाते what happened, he went up to Charing Cross. And upon reaching Charing Cross, he went to the railway platform. He rushed onto the platform and found this man now. And this man was with two other ladies and a small girl. तो उसने इस आदमी को देखा, this face on the wall. Okay, this man with the face on the wall. Our guest saw him, and he was actually that man with the face on the wall. He was with two ladies and one little girl, and they were going to France. Okay, and this man, our guest, okay, जो ये कहानी बोल रहा है हमको, okay, the man tried to talk to him but in vain because they got inside the train. So the guest actually, he wanted to talk to this man with the face on the wall. तो ये उस आदमी के साथ जाके बात करना चाहता था और क्लियर करना चाहता था. But he was unsuccessful because by the time he was going, this man along with the two ladies and the little girl, they got inside the train. So now this man also is not going to leave. ये हमारा जो guest है, our guest is also not going to leave. So what happened? He purchased a ticket to Folkestone. Folkestone is a town in England. Okay, तो उसने क्या किया, एक टिकट खरीदा Folkestone का, कि मैं इसे Folkestone में पकड़ूंगा because Folkestone is the next station. Okay, मैं इसे Folkestone में पकड़ूंगा and there I will go and talk to him. Now he hoped to catch the man on the boat before it would sail. Now in Folkestone, the face on the wall, that man with the face on the wall, he would get out of the train, and with those two ladies and that little girl, he will go inside the boat and finally go away to France. Now the guest thought that I have to catch this man on the boat itself before the boat would sail. तो बोट निकलने से पहले पहले मुझे इस आदमी को पकड़ना है, उससे बात करना है, I have to talk to him. And from the look of this man, the guest thought that this man would be a millionaire. तो गेस्ट ने, हमारा जो गेस्ट है, उसने सोचा कि ये जो मैन विद दिस फेस ऑन द वॉल, दिस मैन, he would be a millionaire because he looked very खाते पीते खानदान का. He looked very rich actually from his clothings, from his attitude, he guessed that this man could be a millionaire. So he had to catch him and talk to him. So उसने सोचा कि मुझे इसे पकड़ना ही होगा और मुझे इससे बात करना होगा. I have to catch him and I have to talk to him. But again disappointment. Before he could meet him, they had disappeared into a large private saloon. Okay, so when they got out of the train, this man disappeared into a saloon. That means this man entered a saloon actually. Now again, and it was a private saloon, very expensive wala private saloon. Now the guest did not have enough money to enter the private saloon, तो वो बाहर वेट कर रहा था. ठीक है, he thought of waiting outside and he was not going to give up so easily. तो वो इतने आसानी से छोड़ने वाला था नहीं. Today, this man thought that, the guest thought that today I am going to talk to this man by hook or by crook. मुझे इस आदमी से बात करना ही है, because his face is similar to the face on my wall, on my room's wall. And you see, बहुत बड़ा बात है, it's a very big thing and it does not happen every day, right? ऐसा थोड़े ना हर दिन होगा. And it was a one time opportunity for him. ये एक one time opportunity है मेरे लिए कि मुझे आज इनसे बात करना ही है. I have to talk to him today. I have to take this chance today and I cannot miss it. So he was not ready to surrender at all. वो surrender करने के लिए बिल्कुल जो है तैयार नहीं था. अब क्या हुआ देखिए, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग. So he waited outside the saloon hoping that the man with the face would certainly come out for a walk. Obviously, कितना देर तक वो सलोन में रहेगा? He would definitely come out. So this man started waiting outside. And after half an hour, the man with the face came out with a little girl. Okay, that little girl, जिसको उसने सबसे पहले देखा था. तो after half an hour, this man came out from the saloon and one little girl was with him. And now the guest, this man, our guest, who is telling the story, his heart started beating very fast. उसका जो दिल है बहुत ज़ोरों से धड़कता था. He was becoming nervous actually. Obviously, who would not become nervous? कौन nervous नहीं होगा? एक फेस आपने वॉल में देखा और उसी ऐसे एक सिमिलर चेहरा आपने बाहर देखा, एक इंसान आपने बाहर देखा और वो बिल्कुल आपके सामने खड़ा. He is standing in front of you. You saw a man. You saw some patches on the wall of a human face and you saw that similar man outside and that man is standing in front of you, right in front of you. Wouldn't you be nervous? Obviously this man also became very nervous, and because the face he saw on the wall resembled exactly like this man, that is why his heart started beating very fast. और बिल्कुल वो सामने खड़ा था. He was standing right in front of him. Okay, now the guest felt, the man who is telling the story, he felt that I must go and meet him. Otherwise, he would miss the golden opportunity, the golden chance. कि मुझे, I have to go now and meet him. Otherwise, I will miss this golden chance because he might go outside, anywhere. So I have to go and talk to him. So this man, he went. So he approached the man. वो गया उस man with the face on the wall. Okay, I have written in this way just to make you understand, because the man met the man, it will make you confusing. Okay, so try to understand. Okay, so he approached the man with the face on the wall and asked for his business card. उसने कहा कि sir, excuse me sir, actually he did not immediately go and say that sir, your face and the face on the wall of my room is same. He did not go and tell anything like that because nobody would believe. उसे पता था कि nobody would believe that. कोई उसकी बात का ये यकीन नहीं करेगा. Especially this man will never believe him. So उसने नहीं कहा. He did not tell this thing. He just said that sir, actually I have some very important work with you. So can I get your visiting card? Can I get your business card? Alright. So look at the original words, and I have picked it from your textbook. I have a very important reason for wishing to communicate with you. तो मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करना था. I have to talk to you. So can I get your business card? Having your phone or telephone number. Now the real reason why he actually asked for the business card was that in the business card there will be this man's address. There will be this man's address, name, address, okay, along with phone number also, okay, along with maybe phone number also. So the details would be there in the business card, visiting card. That is why he straight away went and asked for his business card, but he did not tell anything. उसने कुछ नहीं कहा. He did not tell anything. Now this man with the face on the wall, the man with the face, he was little surprised and astonished. अरे, a stranger coming suddenly and asking for my business card. तो ये आदमी जो है जिसका चेहरा मिलता जुलता है, दिस मैन, ही सडनली ही बिकेम वेरी सरप्राइज. उसने सोचा कि अरे एक अनजान आदमी आके मुझसे मेरा बिजनेस कार्ड मांग रहा है, मैं इसे जानता नहीं, पहचानता नहीं, इसका क्या काम है मुझसे. Anyways, he did not bother and he just took out one business card, one visiting card and gave this to the man. Okay, and उसे पागल समझ के उसको दे दिया. However, he gave his card to the man thinking him to be mad. तो ये जो मैन विद द फेस है, उसने अपना कार्ड निकाल के दे दिया उसको पागल समझ के कि कोई पागल होगा जो कार्ड मांग रहा है, चलो दे दो यार, कौन ज़्यादा बात करे. इफ़ यू टॉक मोर, यू नो, देर विल बी great quarrel on the road, on the street, and this man did not want it to. And moreover, this man was a millionaire. Moreover, this man with the face on the wall, he was a millionaire. So he simply gave his card. Okay. After the man with the face had gone, he looked at the card and was shocked to read the man's name. तो जब वो मैन विद द फेस चला गया, when the man with the face had gone, this guest, our guest, the man who is now telling the story, he looked at the card and he was shocked to read the name of the man. कार्ड में उसने जो नाम देखा वो देख के वो शॉक्ड हो गया, क्योंकि द नेम वॉज मिस्टर ऑर्मोंड वॉल. डू यू रिमेंबर समथिंग स्टूडेंट्स? ऑर्मोंड नेम मैचेस विथ व्हाट? डू यू रिमेंबर द नेम? दिस इज द सेम स्ट्रीट. This is the same street in London where the guest was staying. That old house. This is the same street, Ormond Street, and this man's name is Ormond Wall, and his address was Pittsburgh, USA. Right? So there was again another similarity. The first was the face was similar. The face on the wall and this man's face was similar. Second was his name and the name of the street where the man was staying was similar. Now two coincidences cannot happen. दो इत्तेफाक नहीं हो सकता, एक इत्तेफाक हो सकता है. चलिए, one coincidence can happen that the face resembled or the face was same. The face on the wall and the face of this man was same. But what about name? Name of the street and the name of this man was also same. Ormond Street, Ormond Wall. Now this man thought, let me get some more details about Mr. Ormond Wall. Now we will call him Ormond Wall because we know his name now, and this Ormond Wall is that same person whose face was similar to the face on the wall. Okay, so we will call him Mr. Ormond now. Okay, now he tried to find out more details about Ormond Wall from various sources. तो हमारा जो गेस्ट है वो उसका क्यूरियोसिटी लेवल और ज़्यादा हाई हो गया. हिज क्यूरियोसिटी लेवल बिकेम हायर and he wanted to know more about this man. He wanted to get more details about this man. So he started contacting various agencies like newspaper editors, Society of Americans in London, other sources also, but everything was in vain. Nobody could give any information about Mr. Ormond Wall. Okay, कोई जो है उसको इतना information नहीं दे पाया. Only one information he could find about Ormond Wall. So he could only find out that the man with the face, that is Mr. Ormond Wall, was a millionaire with English parents who resided in London. उसको सिर्फ एक information मिला. He just got one information that Mr. Ormond Wall was a millionaire and his parents were English parents, and they resided in London. They stayed in London. But London where? London is a very big place. Where in London? So he did not know the exact location, and he couldn't know the exact location from anybody. किसी से उसको एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन नहीं मिला. जैसे कि से फॉर एग्जांपल मान लीजिए किसी ने आपसे कहा, जैसे मुझे यूट्यूब पे बहुत पूछते हैं, सर वेयर डू यू टीच? आई से मेघालय. राइट, आई से मेघालय. समटाइम्स आई से तुरा ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई स्टे इन तुरा, बट तुरा वेयर? ओके, सो दैट इज अ मिस्ट्री and that I am not going to share with anybody. Okay, Because you see, I'll tell you one thing. When if I share my location, it's a kind of a prejudice among many of us actually. Okay, it's a prejudice among many of us. uh, Name and place, actually name, obviously in the starting itself you know my name, but name and places actually make uh, you know bring discriminations. Name and place brings discrimination. ऑलराइट, इसलिए मुझे प्लेस या नाम बताना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. लोगों को लगता है ये इस प्रांत का है तो ये इस रिलीजन का है, इस कास्ट का है. सो आई डोंट रियली फील दैट, एंड आई टेल माई स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज दैट बिकॉज आई एम अ टीचर, आई हैव नो कास्ट, आई हैव नो रिलीजन. जब मैं टीचिंग करता हूँ तब मेरा कोई कास्ट नहीं होता, मेरा कोई रिलीजन नहीं होता. दैट इज़ वाई. एनीवेज, लेट्स कम बैक टू द स्टोरी. सो ही कुड नॉट गेट द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन. तो लंडन वेयर, nobody knows. Okay, he just knew that he was a millionaire with English parents who resided in London. बस इतना ही उसको पता चला और कुछ नहीं पता चला. तो टाइम पास बाय और उसने सरेंडर कर दिया कि चलो इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गया, बहुत है. आई गॉट दिस मच इन्फॉर्मेशन, इट इज़ इनफ फॉर मी. एंड आई मेट दिस मैन, आई टुक हिज विजिटिंग कार्ड, बिजनेस कार्ड, दैट्स इनफ फॉर मी. तो टाइम पास बाय. He returned back to his old house in Great Ormond Street. Now it was his habit that he looked at the wall every day. उसका तो हैबिट था, इट वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ अ रूटीन, अ हैबिट फॉर हिम दैट ही लुक्ड एट द वॉल एवरी डे. सो ही यूज्ड टू लुक एट द वॉल एवरी डे. बट नाउ समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेंज हैपेंड. कुछ बहुत अनोखा हुआ. अब क्या अनोखा है वो? वॉट इज दैट स्ट्रेंज थिंग दैट हैपेंड? द फेस ऑन द वॉल वॉज डिसअपियरिंग. ये वॉल जो था, ये फेस जो था उस वॉल में, ये स्लोली डिसअपियर हो रहा था, गायब हो रहा था. इट वॉज ओनली फेंटली विजिबल, बहुत ही धुंधला सा दिख रहा था वो वॉल में. तो ये आदमी जब सुबह उठा, व्हेन ही वोक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, ही सॉ दैट दिस फेस ऑन द वॉल इज वेरी फेंटली विजिबल, बहुत धुंधला सा दिख रहा है. बट लास्ट नाइट इट वॉज क्लियर. लास्ट नाइट तो पूरा क्लियर था इसका फेस. अब ये बिल्कुल बहुत फेंटली विजिबल है. क्या मिस्ट्री है इसमें? व्हाट इज द मिस्ट्री हियर? एंड ही वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड एंड कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. तो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो गया ये. थोड़ा गुस्सा भी आने लगा, फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी होने लगा इसको. ही स्टार्टेड गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड ऑल्सो एंड ही कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. सो ही वेंट आउट. सो आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन वो बाहर चला गया. ही वेंट आउट बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी मच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. Now, it was his habit to read morning newspapers. Like many of us, we have the habit of reading newspapers actually. So he had the habit of reading morning newspapers. So उसने morning newspaper लिया and he was shocked to read the headlines. And headline said American millionaire's motor accident. Motor is car actually. तो American millionaire का car accident का एक headline इस आदमी ने देखा newspaper में. And the details in the newspaper said that, detailed report of the newspaper said that, the newspaper said that Mr. Ormond Wall and his party was motoring from Spezia to Pisa, and their vehicle collided with a wagon and was overturned. Mr. Wall's condition was critical. This is the newspaper report. तो रिपोर्ट एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं. न्यूज़पेपर की रिपोर्ट ये कहता है कि मिस्टर ऑर्मोंड और उनके कुछ दोस्त लोग, हिज पार्टी, हिज ग्रुप वॉज ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम स्पेजिया टू पीसा. टू स्पेजिया टू पीसा वो लोग गाड़ी से जा रहे थे. उनका व्हीकल जो है धक्का लग गया एक वैगन से. देयर व्हीकल कोलाइडेड विद अ वैगन एंड इट गॉट ओवरटर्न्ड. वो उल्टा हो गया उनका गाड़ी एंड दे गॉट इंज्योर्ड. आउट ऑफ देम मिस्टर वॉल्स, ऑर्मोन वॉल्स कंडीशन वॉज क्रिटिकल, वॉज वेरी बैड. मिस्टर Ormond Wall's condition was critical. Now this man understood, okay, so this is the reason why the face on the wall was becoming faintly visible, why it was disappearing. It was disappearing because there was some connection with Mr. Ormond Wall and that face, human face. So slowly when the face on the wall started becoming very slightly invisible, okay, slightly visible, I'm sorry, when the face on the wall started becoming slightly visible, that time Mr. Wall's condition was critical. उसी वक्त था जब मिस्टर वॉल का कंडीशन क्रिटिकल था ड्यू टू द एक्सीडेंट. नाउ दिस मैन फेल्ट वेरी समथिंग फिशी वॉज हैपनिंग. दिस मैन फेल्ट कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम, एंड ही ran back to his room. He rushed back to his room and saw that द फेस हैड नाउ कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर्ड, वो फेस बिल्कुल गायब हो चुका था, द वॉल वॉज एम्प्टी नाउ. देयर वेर अदर पैचेस, दूसरे पैचेस थे, बट दैट फेस वॉज नॉट देयर. वो फेस वहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं था, वो गायब हो चुका था. इट हैड नाउ कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर्ड, वो बिल्कुल गायब हो चुका था. Then he again looked at the newspaper and now he became clear. Later he learned that Mr. Wall had died. When he read the newspaper, when he read the other day's newspaper, जब उसने बाद में जब उसने newspaper देखा, when he read the other newspapers the other day, he learned that Mr. Wall had died. That caused the face to completely disappear from the wall. That means this man had a connection with the face on the wall. Face on the wall. When this man became injured, the face on the wall started becoming invisible, and when this man died, this face on the wall had completely disappeared. वो बिल्कुल गायब हो चुका था. That means the appearance and disappearance of this man was connected with the face on the wall. इस आदमी का रहना और गायब हो जाना, इसका कनेक्शन बिल्कुल उस फेस के साथ जुड़ा हुआ था. It was connected to that face on the wall. And the story of the man ends here. अब ये स्टोरी यहाँ पे उसने ख़त्म कर दिया. And everyone in the room, now let's come back to the present situation. Everyone in the room was astonished, and all of them shouted, "Remarkable, most extraordinary story that we have all heard." तो सारे लोग बिल्कुल बहुत impressed हो गए. The story of this man really impressed everybody. क्या fantastic कहानी है ये. What a fantastic, remarkable, most extraordinary, impressive story this man has told us. And everyone was impressed, all right, and I think all of us, we got really impressed, right? But now the guest spoke again. अब इस आदमी जो है, इस आदमी ने फिर से कंटिन्यू किया. He said that there were 3 extraordinary points about this story. तो ये आदमी जो है फिर से उसने शुरू किया. Okay, he started speaking again. That he said that you see, gentlemen, and I'm telling in my own way, मैं अपने तरीके से बोल रहा हूँ. You see, gentlemen, that there are 3 extraordinary, 3 remarkable points about my story. The first point is that the similarity between the face and the patch. ये है number 1 point. That the face of the man and the face on the patch, it was similar. Yes, it was similar. Everybody noted. Yes, it was similar. Number 2. Second point. The second was the similarity between the name of the street he lived in and the millionaire's name. Both were Ormond. Okay. Our guest lived in the Ormond Street, and the name of this man was Ormond Wall. So this Ormond were similar. So name of the street and name of the millionaire was same. Yes, point number 2. And he said those 2 points. How many points he was supposed to say? He was supposed to say 3 points, but he said 2 points, and he got up to leave the room. वो खड़ा हो गया रूम को छोड़ने के लिए, मतलब वहाँ से वो चला जा रहा था. तो having said this, as the man was about to leave, another guest, his name was Spanton actually, एक Spanton नाम का एक गेस्ट है, उसने रिमाइंड किया कि अरे आप तो 3rd पॉइंट भूल गए, अरे यू फॉरगॉट द 3rd पॉइंट. ऑलराइट, मैं फिर से थोड़ा समझाता हूँ आपको. उसको 3 पॉइंट बोलना था, he had to say 3 points, but after saying 2 points, he got up and he was about to open the door and go out when another guest, his name was Spanton, he suddenly called him. Hey mister, arey, you said that you are going to say 3 remarkable points, but you said only 2. You forgot the 3rd one. What is the 3rd one? Then the man opened the door. इस आदमी ने थोड़ा सा हाफ दरवाज़ा खोला and said that the 3rd point was that he had made this story just half an hour ago. उसने आधा दरवाज़ा खोला और कहा एक्चुअली वो 2 पॉइंट बोल के मैं बोलता हूँ आपको वाई ही एक्चुअली सेड 2 पॉइंट्स एंड ही वेंट टू द डोर एंड देन somebody reminded him that he had forgotten the 3rd point and then he said the 3rd point. उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? उसने 3 पॉइंट सीरियली क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't he tell all the 3 points serially? There's a reason to this. Okay, I'll tell you that. So he opened the door half and said that the 3rd point was that I just made this story half an hour ago. मैंने अभी आधे घंटे पहले ये कहानी बनाया है. इसका मतलब ये कहानी झूठा है. This कहानी is false. And look, he made everybody a fool. उसने सारे लोगों को जो है बुर्बक बनाया. he made everybody a fool in the room, okay, and he wished everyone good night and then left. उसने सबको गुड नाइट किया, दरवाज़ा खोला, बाहर निकल गया जल्दी जल्दी, यू नो, वेरी फास्ट ही ओपन द डोर एंड ही लेफ्ट. Everyone present in the room was utterly shocked and angry at this man. सारे लोग, जितने भी लोग उस रूम में थे, जितने भी गेस्ट्स उस रूम में थे, सारे जो है शॉक्ड हो गए और गुस्सा हो गए इस आदमी पे फॉर हैविंग मेड अप अ स्टोरी दैट वाज नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल. सारे लोग, यू नो, ऑल द पीपल हैड बिलीव दिस स्टोरी टू बी ट्रू बिकॉज द वे दिस मैन वॉज नरेटिंग द स्टोरी. The way this man was narrating the story, I'll tell you one, I'll just remind all of you one thing, okay? I think, I hope, because all of you have taken additional English, that is why I'm asking you. You have read the story The Liar in additional English class 9. Liar, Labhu, the story of Labhu. You know, all the stories he tells was absolutely false, right or wrong? है ना? तो यहाँ पे जो है उसने यही चीज़ हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन रिलेट द सेम थिंग हियर. सो एवरीबडी वॉज एंग्री एट दिस मैन फॉर हैविंग, you know, made a false story, and they looked at, everybody looked with angry eyes, everybody looked at Ratson Wade. Who was Ratson Wade? He is the man who had brought the snake matlab this guest who told this false story. Okay, the guest who told this false story, he was the man who had brought him. So everybody called this guest a snake actually, alright, because he had told lies, okay, or told a false story. So who had brought the snake, but he too had disappeared. अब राटसन वेट भी गायब हो चुका था वहाँ से, क्योंकि उसको पता था अब मेरा धुलाई होगा. Everybody will give me धुलाई, everybody will beat me now, everybody will kick me now, so it is better that I disappear. So he had also gone away, okay, for the fear of getting scolded or for the fear of getting you know, beaten by the other guests. मार खाने के डर से बेचारा वो भी भाग गया. Alright, and I told you, no, that our guest also, by the time he had come to the third point, he was already near the door. उसको भी डर था. He also feared that if I tell the third point, all of them will beat me also. सारे लोग मुझे मिलके पीटेंगे, पब्लिक धुलाई देंगे मुझे. तो वो भी जो है दरवाजे के पास जाके ही उसने थर्ड पॉइंट बोला, नहीं तो वो नहीं बोलता, वो चला जाता. ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. एंड यू सी कैसे पोपट बनाया. ये जो गेस्ट था उसने सबको कैसे उल्लू बनाया, पोपट बनाया, फूल बनाया सबको, और बोल के वो चला गया. ठीक है, एंड हियर इज वेयर द स्टोरी एंड्स, एंड द ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी, isn't it students? So you can comment me in the comment box that how did you like the story. आपको स्टोरी कैसा लगा, और ऐसा कोई घटना आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा या नहीं. You know, if any such incident had occurred with you, or you have heard from somewhere, you can relate it in the comment box also. Okay, so finally subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos. I'm going to bring more videos on additional English. I'm going to complete your syllabus very very soon, so subscribe to the channel, invite your friends to subscribe to the channel, share my videos as much as possible. I need 10,000 subscribers by hook or by crook by the month of August. मुझे अगस्त तक 10,000 चाहिए, because I'm going to bring some more interesting videos on English also for class 11, and I have to complete additional English syllabus for class 12 also. Okay, so there are 2 classes left, English and additional English. Alright, so I'm going to bring those fast. So before that, please subscribe to the channel, and notes also will be available very soon. मैं बहुत जल्द आपको notes भी provide करने वाला हूँ, तो जल्दी से जल्दी subscribe कीजिए. 10,000 का जो ये लिमिट है इसको क्रॉस कर दीजिए. ओके, दैट come to that limit of 10,000, at least make 10,000 subscribers to the channel. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. With love from Omnican, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.